Hi guys, this is Fast on Ghana SMTV. Do like, share, and subscribe. So guys, another fake doctor caught pants down. Guys, at this point, NDC needs to fact check their people before they give them appointments. Bro, what is going on? Fake doctor, fake professors, every day. Tanko Computer was one. Dr. Ansan Sadeli was one. Hey! Another doctor, a member of parliament, Afenyo Markins, has indeed been vindicated. What is going on? Now, Gtec, the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, Gtec, has refuted claims by Dr. Grace Ayensu Dankwa that she holds the academic rank of professor, cautioning her against presenting herself with the title of a professor. Bro, people will go and sit in the United States for some time, learn some accents, and come down to Ghana and claim they are doctors, they are professors. What is going on? In less than 9 months in office, 3 officials of the NDC parading themselves as professors and doctors have been exposed. What is going on? Is it by force to be a doctor? Bro, the first doctor who was caught was Dr. Ansan Sadeli. This woman paraded herself as a medical doctor, hosting shows on live TV, educating people about their health when she has zero knowledge about what health is about. Guys, to crown it all, she was appointed as a board member of NHS. Guys, National Health Insurance Scheme. She was appointed to be a board member. Can you imagine? Moving on. There's this gentleman called Tanko Computer. This guy paraded himself as a doctor from 2016. Apparently, there's no recognized institution in Ghana or abroad that conferred to him the title of a doctor. Meanwhile, he has been carrying himself throughout as a doctor. Dr. Tanko Computer. Gtec did their research and investigation and exposed the lies. As if that is not enough, this particular member of parliament came with some attitude, some body language, some shenanigans to Ghana's parliament. Guys, she was in a banter with Alexander Afenyo Markins, the leader of super minority, the leader of the minority in Ghana's parliament. Guys, have a listen.
You see, Mr. Speaker, if some of the young ladies don't have the resilience, they must be quiet. If you start to talk when your leader is on his feet, and then the people come after you, then you'll be crying. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, I would want to encourage my colleague. Your name is not even here. We have heard it in the rumor mill that you are going to be facing the appointment committee. And this is what you want to be doing. Your name, when you came to meet Dr. Zanato here, and for the founder, the owner of the party, for some strange reason, it appears your name is coming, and you will not, even they've delayed in the names. You came to meet Helen in Tosso.
No, leader.
Mr. Speaker.
Leader.
You came to meet Helen in Tosso.
Leader.
And then you want to be rising on a point of order when your leader is on a
leader.
Mr. Speaker,
the angle you are going.
Yes, Mr.
Please.
Speaker, she has to sit down. Mr. Speaker. The rules of this House, Mr. Speaker, in particular, Order 123. Mr. Speaker, I want the member to pay due regard to this. It is titled Content of Speech. Content of Speech. I won't belabor, but it is admonishing all of us
I'd like to contribute to the debate, but before I do that, Mr. Speaker, I want to stand on a point of correction. Mr. Speaker, the statement made by the minority leader, Mr. Speaker, respectfully, I think is quite offensive. Mr. Speaker, as there's only 14% women in this House, Mr. Speaker, some of the statements he made are also going to be in the hazard. Mr. Speaker, I'm sitting here speaking on behalf of the women.
Honorable Professor, I've given you the floor. Contribute to the statement. That's what I...
But before I contribute to the statement, Mr. Speaker,
Honorable Professor,
I would like to very much have that part of the conversation, of the discussion expunged, because I was being attacked when I had not said a word. I was just standing up and waiting to catch your eye. Mr. Speaker, it makes it very difficult for the women. There's only 14% of us in this House. So when we stand up and we speak, and we are getting veiled threats, and also passive-aggressive behaviors towards us, Mr. Speaker, it makes it very, very, very difficult for us women to speak. So, Mr. Speaker, I really respectfully want to put this on the record, that I was unprovoked. I did not provoke that comment, and I also feel that I'm offended by it, because I did nothing to deserve that. Thank you, Mr.
As if that is not enough, she presented herself before the appointment committee because President Mahama thought that she's a professor and a doctor, so therefore she has all what it takes to be a deputy minister of health. Now she appears before the committee. Afenyo Markins is asking her about her credentials. Listen to her.
Clarify for me. When people address you doctor, people also address you professor. Share with us which of these titles match your rank.
Thank you. Both do. I am a professor of surgery at the University of Utah in the United States. Thank you.
Now, there may be jurisdictional interpretations. So I would want you to have this opportunity to clarify for the general public to understand and appreciate where you're coming from. In Ghana, for instance, in the academia, someone may just have his PhD and lectures at the university, but will not be called a professor. You would have to do some publications, then you become an ASOProf, and then from there you become a full professor. Share with us the jurisdiction where you earn the title professor. How does it come by?
I have defended 2 theses. I have written so many publications, too numerous to count. And I have done a lot of research, too numerous to count. So if I may indulge you respectfully, where do you want me to start?
So, just very simply, have you been conferred with that title, which is a postdoctoral title, professor? Do you have a document from a certified body confirming same to you? Same that you've been conferred with that, just as is done in the Ghanaian jurisdiction, or is different from where you're coming from, please?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The American system is completely different from the Ghana system. I am a professor of surgery. I have been teaching surgery for at least the last 15 years. Surgery is a skill. So we teach in the theater. We don't teach only in the classroom. As we're doing classroom work, we are also doing teaching in the theater. I am a full professor of surgery at the University of Utah and a professor of global surgery. Thank you.
So that's a very fair explanation. But I want to know from you, so how then does the person earn it? At what point do you then hold the title? Yes, you lecture. Yes, you do surgery. But at what point, once you get in there, do you automatically carry the title, or it has to be conferred in one way or the other by rank? That's the clarification I want you to provide, please.
I am a professor of surgery at the University of Utah. I am a professor of global surgery per the American College of Surgeons and the American Board of Surgery.
Bro, Gtec did their research and wrote to the university she claims she's a professor there. The university says they know her, yes, but she is not a professor of that university. So right about now, what is going on? Why are fake doctors all over the place? Why are fake doctors appointed in John Mahama's administration? Hey! Guys, let me know what you think. Because right about now, I'm scandalized.